Craving something rich, gooey, and salty sweet? Let's make a salted caramel chocolate mug cake with this microwave caramel hack that tastes just like the real deal, ready in under 2 minutes. In a microwave-safe bowl, add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon butter, salted or unsalted. Microwave for 30 seconds. Carefully stir. It may still look pale, but that's normal at this stage. Then microwave again for 15 to 20 seconds. Now stir in ½ teaspoon of milk or cream, a small pinch of salt for that salted caramel. Mix well, you've got a thick golden caramel sauce. Set it aside while we make the mug cake. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour. This is the base that gives your cake structure and softness. 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients well until everything is evenly combined. Make sure there are no lumps of cocoa hiding at the bottom. Now pour in 3 tablespoons milk, any kind works, 1 tablespoon oil, ½ teaspoon melted butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until you get a smooth, lump-free batter. If the batter feels too thick, add 2 more tablespoons of milk and mix it in. You want a smooth, pourable consistency. If it still looks dry, just keep mixing gently until everything comes together. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of caramel right into the center of the batter for a gooey surprise inside. If you have a soft caramel candy, you can pop one right in the center instead for the same delicious effect. Just place it on top and gently press it down a little. Don't push it too deep. Microwave for 1 minute to 1 minute 20 seconds. It should rise beautifully and feel just set on top. Drizzle that leftover salted caramel sauce right over the top. And there it is, rich, warm, gooey, and oozing salted caramel in every bite. Tag someone who needs to try this. Drop a comment if you love mug cakes. Like and follow for more. And check out our other mug cake recipes.